Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. Yes, the most awaited and the prestigious job notification has released. The Civil Service Examination, UPSC Recruitment 2021 for 712 vacancies. We can apply now. And the last date of application is 24th March 2021. The notification has released with effect from 4th March 2021. So please don't wait until the last date, because at the last date the server may be rushed with applications, so that it is ideal to apply at the earliest. The recruitment details are, everyone knows it's a central government job, and here we have to apply online mode, and the job location is across India, and the post that too for the various openings under civil service exam. Qualification: degree from recognized university or from an institute, and the salary will be as per the government norms. And you know that the selection procedure for civil service will be through 3 stages: preliminary examination, main examination, and the interview. The candidate must attain the age of 21 years minimum, and must not attain the age of 32 years in the case of open category as on 1st August 2021. And there will be age relaxation in the upper age limit. For SC/ST candidate, it will be 5 years. So the SC/ST candidates can apply up to 37 years. For OBC category, it is 3 years relaxation. For persons with disabilities, it is 10 years. SC/ST PWD candidate, it is 15 years. And for OBC PWD candidates, the age relaxation is 13 years. Excepting female, SC/ST, persons with benchmark disability candidates who are exempted from payment of fee. Candidates admitted to the main examination have to pay rupees 200 as the examination fee, and the candidates admitted to the preliminary exam have to remit 100 rupee as the examination fee. It could be paid through net banking, credit card, debit card, UPI, challan, demand draft, etc. Interested and eligible aspirants may send their application on or before 24th March 2021. My humble suggestion is, kindly do not wait for the last day. On 4th it is released. Today is the 6th of March, so make it at the earliest. For more details and for the official notification and for online application, please log into this website, https://upsconline.nic.in. So it is not exactly in the UPSC website, but it's given in another website, upsconline.nic.in. In this website, a detailed notification and syllabus is given. All that things will be discussed in the upcoming videos through this channel. If this information is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly make it. If this information is useful, kindly give your comments, suggestion and feedback. Thank you very much for watching.